Good afternoon. So today we are in Joyeuse, in South Ardèche, where I am presenting you this charming traditional house from 18th century with swimming pool, garage, inner courtyard and amazing rooftop. I am going to run a little bit because these are 300 square meters, so if I want to do it within 3 minutes I have to run a little bit. Here just to show you the view on the entrance of the Vallée de la Baume. So here is the garage and we are entering directly the inner court. With a covered terrace. On the left, I will show you a little bit the whole courtyard. On the left, downstairs, we have a room, a guest room with shower and toilets. The wash basin is to be installed. Okay. Then we have at the other side, here is another cellar. Here is an apartment with kitchen, living room, bedroom and bathroom. Pretty nice, under vaulted ceiling, very charming. And at the first floor, on the right, a third apartment where with 2 rooms and some typical architectural one bathroom and a big living room with fireplace insert and a terrace who could be optimized. I go back to the 4th unit. The main apartment, we could say, where you have here a living room with open kitchen. Here is the first sleeping room and a shared bathroom here with second bathroom, toilets here. And we are back in the living room. So I see I am already at 4 minutes. I will try to hurry up. And we have some mezzanine with sleeping possibilities and potential. And this side, at the other side. And here, small bar, terrace, and here, this amazing view on Les Cévennes at this point until the Tanargue at the other side. What do you think? See you!